Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. Today's video is all about Nykaa's Pink Friday sale which is around the corner, and as usual I have some makeup recommendations. This will be everything affordable that I'm going to show you, as I am loving these makeup a lot. So if you guys are interested, please stay tuned till the end of this video. Nowadays, I generally skip primer, but if you are someone into gripping primer, I would highly suggest the Mars gripping primer. This is not very oily as the other gripping primer. It gives you a tacky base and keeps your makeup long lasting. For foundation, I have the Forever 52 Sensational Foundation with SPF 50. This gives you a very beautiful coverage with dewy base and it is very long lasting. All the summer, I have been using this foundation and I really love how it lasted on my skin. I can even wear this as a skin tint and I can even wear this during winter season. And the next foundation is again my favorite. I have been using all year long and it's Maybelline Lumi Matte Foundation. I mix two shades 330, 311 to bring to my perfect match, and this is the foundation which gives you a satin matte finish, extremely long wearing. It is heat proof, humidity proof, waterproof, sweat resistant. If you are oily skin, dry skin, combo skin, natural skin, any skin type can use this foundation without any issue. Next, to conceal the darkness, I use this Insight Air Base Concealer in Orange Neutralizer, which has a peach undertone, but because it is too much peach on my skin tone, I like to mix with a concealer and then use it to color correct all the blemishes, unevenness, pigmentation on my skin, and it does a very good job. Gives you a soft matte finish, very long wearing, doesn't crease and doesn't give you that dry kind of feeling. For my highlighting concealer, I have been enjoying this Insight Mega Cover Concealer in the shade MN White 25. This is such a beautiful medium to full coverage concealer that is very hydrating, doesn't crease on me, and it gives you a beautiful finish to the skin. It is not overly dewy or matte. If you're looking out for a good affordable cream contour, I would highly recommend this Forever 52 Cream Contour in the shade Dark. It is going to give you a snatched look without any patchiness or streakiness. It just melts into the skin without any efforts. Now, if you're looking out for a good liquid highlighter, I would highly recommend the Mars Glow Fly Liquid Highlighter, and this is in the shade Wing It Champagne. It gives you a very beautiful, naturally highlighted, radiant look that is coming from within. Does not give you that chunky, glittery feel at all, and it just melts into your skin. You can work with your finger, brush and sponge, and you can see that beautiful highlighted glow it provides. Now, in blush category, I have couple of options. The first ones are these e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blushes, which are exact dupe to Rare Beauty Soft Pink. I have couple of shades with me which is going to suit medium to tan skin. If you're a little bit deeper than my skin, still it is going to show up on you and gives you a soft matte finish. It is very long wearing and it does not lift your base or turns patchy upon blending. Next is my recent favorite, and it is PAC Spotlight Cream Blush in the shade Velvet Rose, a gorgeous peachy pink shade, going to suit most of our Indian skin tone. If you're a little bit deeper than me, still it is going to give you a muted pink flush of color. Now, this is a cream to powder formulation, but it adds a very beautiful subtle radiance to the skin. Let me just give you a swatch. That's how the shade looks on me. It is very natural. You can easily build up the shade. Next is L'Oreal Lumi Liquid Blush. I don't remember the shade. I'll mention it in the description. That's how the shade looks like. It has that sheen. It is not overly, glittery, but adds a beautiful radiance, and it is a very natural looking blush. It might look very pigmented, but it gives you a very natural flush of color. Today I have used this on one side of my cheeks. You can have a look over here, and I have been loving this little bit of radiance it is providing, though I used a highlighter on top. But if you don't like highlighter for your day-to-day use, you can just have this blush and you are done. If you are looking for an alternative to Fee Pudding Pot, then Nykaa has it for you. This is in the shade Pudding You First. It's a beautiful berry pink shade, going to look gorgeous on every skin tone. It has that bouncy mousse-like texture and gives you that velvety matte finish, which you can totally use it on your cheeks as well as on your lips. It just blurs out my texture and gives me that velvety soft matte finish. And the last one in blush is Maybelline Sun Kisser Matte Blush. This is in the shade Berry Brunch. That's how the shade looks on me. It's a very beautiful cool tone plum purple blush that is going to suit most of our Indian skin tone. You can totally build up the shade if you want to. It looks very pigmented, but once you blend it out, it just adds a soft, subtle, natural flush of color. Now, if you're looking out for a good setting powder which is translucent and also affordable, then I would highly recommend this Rimmel Matte Perfection Silky Loose Powder. You can see I have finished the tub completely. I need to restock on this. That's how the powder looks like. It does not give you any white cast or flashback, and it just melts into the skin, does not feel dry. I love to set my entire face and under my eyes, and I have noticed it does not feel drying under my eyes at all. And this is something I have been using for many years. I have been loyal to this because I have not found a powder which is as beautiful as this one. Alright, now coming to the eyeshadow category. Nowadays I really love my one and done eyeshadows. I'm not into eyeshadow palettes. I really want to do something very fast and I will be out of the house. So the first ones are this Mars Starlet eyeshadow. I have two shades with me, 06 and 01. That's how the shade 06 looks like, which is a very beautiful purple tone, and it has a duochrome shift to it, and the 01 is a beautiful bronze toppy shade. Now these have a little bit of fallout, so if you want you can do your base makeup first, or if you want you can use a glitter glue. You can use them as a topper or all by itself, and still it is going to give you that glistening shine which we all love. This is perfect for upcoming holiday season. Next ones are these Swiss Beauty Cushion Mousse eyeshadows. I have two shades, Electric Chroma, Illuminating Gold. Here are the swatches. This is the shade Electric Chroma. It has a very beautiful purple to green shift, and look at that one swipe pigmentation. Illuminating Gold does not have any shift. It is a plain molten gold shade which is going to add a lot of drama. You can wear this all by itself or over any eyeshadow as a topper, and it is going to speak for itself. And the last ones in eyeshadows are the Swiss Beauty's newest launch, the Jellyverse Glow Stick, which is an exact dupe to SheGlam. It is not yet available on Nykaa, but I think by the time my video goes online, this will be available. So I have two shades, 06 and 05. This is how the shade 06 looks like. It has a duochrome shift to it, and this one is 05. This is a plain gold shade. I think it is a pale gold shade. These are so beautiful. It feels cooling when it comes in contact with your skin. The shimmers are extremely finely made. If you love that wet kind of finish, it is going to provide you with that. It dries up pretty quick. There is no fallout, no smudging, no budging, and it is completely long wearing glow stick, which you can use it on your eyes, your lips, your cheeks, but I wouldn't prefer it on my cheeks because it is little too chunky for my liking. It just gives me that, very glittery look which I hate when it comes to highlighter. In setting spray, I have been using these two a lot. The Tilted Mask Fit Makeup Fixer, one of my favorite. It just keeps my makeup in place because I have a sweaty skin, and it has kept my makeup intact without any smudging or smearing. And the next one is this Milani Make It Last. This is an not exact but a similar dupe to the Charlotte Tilbury, and it sets your makeup, also hydrates your skin, so you can use in between your makeup to hydrate and to set everything in place, and also it is going to keep your makeup long lasting. Now coming to the last category of this video has to be the lipstick, and these are Inside Cosmetics Lip Crayon. I think I have 4 shades, but I don't know where I kept one. This is the shade that I recently purchased, Smoky Rose, which I have it on my lips. Very gorgeous berry tone pink shade. It is going to suit every skin tone. When I did first impression, I did not like these formulation, but now I am using it more often because these are extremely long wearing. Next ones are these Nykaa's Ultra Silk Hydrating Lipstick. I have 2 shades, Vibin and Popping, and these formulation feels exactly like your K-Beauty, Swiss Beauty Pure Luster Lipstick and Revlon, but I can say these are more creamy and shiny in nature. It has that balmy finish and it goes on like butter. I think it just melts on your lips and gives you one swipe opaque pigmentation. Now these creamy formulation is not very long wearing. If you are eating or drinking anything, it is definitely going to transfer and come off eventually. But if you are looking out for a matte formulation in bullet lipstick, then Nykaa All Day Matte Lipstick comes handy. This is in the shade Maharani, a beautiful red shade which is going to look gorgeous on every skin tone, and it is something which I would highly prefer for this holiday season. Formulation is matte, but it is very comfortable matte. It gives you a very soft blurry finish, and it is kind of long wearing, but if you're eating any oily food, it's definitely going to come off from the inner part of your lips. But if you are having very light meals, drinks, it is not going to transfer a lot. Next one is again from Insight, but it is from their professional range. This is their ultra nourishing lipstick in the shade Breathtaking. That's how the shade looks like. It is a cool tone purple plum pink tone shade, and it is going to look gorgeous on brown skin. I have been wearing this shade a lot lately, and it looks gorgeous with or without any lip liner. These are creamy matte formula, just like the Maybelline creamy matte ones, and it is going to come off if you are eating or drinking anything, though it becomes transfer resistant, but it is not completely a transfer proof. Alright you guys, so that's it for today's video. Hope you found the content helpful and informative, and if you did, I think you might also like these. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.